Hi, in today's video, we are going to show you the best 8 online teaching whiteboard reviews. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboard platform that makes studying efficient virtually. Moreover, it offers a variety of templates that you can use on Zoom. This tool allows a group to brainstorm, assign tasks, hold a meeting, and teach online. LiMU is a great online whiteboard for teaching with its intercommunicating features. It is the perfect tool for drawing and sketching, board organization, and group collaboration. Sketchboard is a whiteboard online software that enables virtual learning to be fun and interesting with the use of diagrams, notes, images, and screenshots. You can brainstorm, collaborate ideas, and choose the visibility of your online diagramming and presentations to personal, team, and public. Stormboard is also another whiteboard solution for people who are working and studying remotely. It lets you engage and collaborate with others through its sticky note style of sharing ideas. Further, it is integrated with applications including Word, Zapier, Google Drive, Slack, Cloud, and many more. If you're looking for another interactive whiteboard for online teaching, then choose NoteBookCast. There are numerous whiteboards template that you can use to teach, sketch, explain, chat, and brainstorm. Plus, you can make your distance learning fun with its integrated tools such as adding shapes, drawing, embedded texts, sticky notes, and laser pointer. Visualize your concepts using Moqups and make your ideas into reality. It is a streamlined web solution that lets you create and collaborate in real time through wireframes, mockups, diagrams, and prototypes. Mural promotes cooperation and collaboration through its exceptional features. It lets teachers and students contribute to brainstorming, learning, and problem solving in a virtual setup. Work and study remotely with the use of Lucidspark. This online whiteboard platform enables teams to ideate and collaborate with its dynamic brainstorming tools. Further, it offers blank canvases and ready-made templates of boards that you can use to create fun activities and teach like you are in a traditional setting.